Good morning everyone, this is Satvik.
I am Shayan Suhas.
I am Kalyan.
We are from 9th class of Shloka School. So today we are here to explain our Shloka School parent app. So Shloka School parent app is available in Play Store and also Apple Store. And visit the store and search for Shloka School parent app. And you will get interface like this in Play Store, and you will get an option install. So after installing interface, we will get a button open. After click the button open. So you will get parent login, in which you can either log in with your mobile number or with the user ID and password. You can get username and password from reception office, and after submitting you will get interface like this. So check for the profile. You can switch profile with your siblings here.
And this is the homework icon. So whenever you click this icon, you will be able to see all the notifications of homeworks. And if the children will not, if your ward will not write the homework or anything, just you can check it here and note down. In this notification section, you will be able, whenever you click this notification section, you will be able to see all the notifications of the school which is uploaded by the school. And whenever you see this icon, so that we can understand that this is a video of your ward, and this will be uploaded every month frequently. And after clicking that icon, you will be able to see this link. After whenever you click this link, you will be able to see interface like this, and you can see your ward's video. And if you want to download, you have to click this three dots icon. After clicking this, you will be able to see this download option. By clicking this option, you can download your ward's video. And next, this is the showcase. In the showcase, the pictures which are clicked in the school will be uploaded in this showcase. And you can also download these pictures from showcase. And next, the timetable. In this timetable, whenever you click this icon, you can see the whole timetable of your ward, and you can also including timings. And this is the student profile. By clicking this student profile, you can see your student's name, class, date of birth, and mobile number. You can also change the password using the current password. And this is the calendars. So in this calendar, you will be able to see all the holidays and the working days, and you can also see the absentees.
This is attendance icon. If we click it, our absentees will be recorded in this. This is settings. If we click it, it will show this interface. Here we should always unmute notification. We should never log out.
So next is fees option, in which we can pay fees in online, and we can see that in history here what we paid, and due amount will be displayed here. So next is progress report. In this progress report, we can see our your ward's progress reports from periodic assignment 1 to annual exams, and you can check results. Next is social media. In this social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp of the school will be present here. In Facebook, we will upload frequent videos and images of the school events, and YouTube we will upload videos, and in Instagram we will post the pages. In WhatsApp, you can you can give any suggestions, or you can give any complaints, and also you can send your ward's fees circular to us. And in website, we will update photos, fees payments can be done in website also. So next is circulars. In this circulars, we will send future events that you want that you can attend, and you can see your ward's creativity or your ward's programs. So next is online classes. This option is not available now, but in future if we have any online classes, the online classes will be displayed here. Next is digital content. In this digital content, we have subjects and chapters. In subjects, we have what you can see the digital contents of what subject, like ICT. You can select the chapters and you can see the ICT programs. Next is online exams. If there are any online exams, the online exams will be updated here, and it will also be given a notification. So this app is very important to you, because you can see your what's reports, progress, and also your what's experience in school in this app only. So notifications are important. Like tomorrow is holiday, we are going to update in this app, and you don't know, and you came to school and again you have to return. No need of such event. So we are using this app to locate when is school and when is leaves, and also you can give suggestions to us through WhatsApp.